How to use eBay Seller Hub Analytics. So for that, let's get into any sort of browser. First of all, I'm going to use my Safari browser right here. Then in here, what you're going to do is search for eBay Seller Hub. So after searching for that, this is the first page that you need to go. Tap on that one. And in here, make sure to log into your eBay account from this page right here. So after logging into your account, here you can see this is the Seller Hub, from where you need to tap on listings right here. From here, what you're going to do is tap on more option right here. Then you'll get to see the option of performance. Tap on that one. And after tapping on performance, tap on traffic right here. So after tapping on traffic here, you will be able to analyze your sales and traffic funnel. So what you're going to do is look for the number of items your items appeared in the search result. And if this is low, then what you're going to do is optimize your item titles with the keyword or use the promoted listings. Now what you're going to do is, when the percentage of the shoppers who clicked your item after seeing it is high, then your CTR is below 1%, your main photo is blurry, or your price is too high, or you lack a free shipping badge. So you're going to maintain all of it, and all of it will be shown right on the traffic right here. Another thing could be the percentage of your page visitor who actually bought the item. A healthy conversion rate is 1 to 3% only. And if people click but leave, your description is lacking, or your return policy is too strict. So after analyzing all of these, you will be able to use your eBay Seller Hub Analytics. And yeah, that's it.